In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your bank details through the Deliveroo Riders platform. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, keeping your payment information up to date is crucial for receiving your hard-earned earnings seamlessly. Let's dive into the process and make sure everything is set up properly. First, you'll want to head over to the Deliveroo Riders UK website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and in the address bar, typing riders.deliveroo.co.uk/en. Press enter, and it will take you to the homepage where you'll find everything you need to manage your Deliveroo account. Once you're on the Deliveroo Riders page, look for the support link. You'll typically find this at the top menu or sometimes at the bottom of the homepage. Clicking support will open up resources dedicated to helping riders like you with all sorts of queries and issues. Now, let's zero in on the specifics. In the search bar on the support page, type in bank details. This is a quick way to find information related to your banking information. Once you hit enter, you'll be presented with a list of related support articles and guides. Among those results, click on the article titled, How Do I Change My Bank Details? This article is specifically designed to walk you through the necessary steps to update your banking information, ensuring you receive payments promptly. In the article, you'll find an instruction that says, fill out this form. This is crucial because it's where you input your updated banking details. Clicking this link will redirect you to a Typeform page created by Deliveroo. On this form, you'll need to provide the required details. Ensure that all information is entered accurately, as this directly impacts your payment schedule. Carefully fill out each section, double-checking for any errors in your bank account number, sort code, or any personal information requested. Once you've completed the form, review all the information you provided one final time. Accuracy here is key to avoid any potential delays in payment due to errors. After making sure everything is correct, submit the form. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your bank details with Deliveroo. Remember, keeping your information up to date is essential for uninterrupted payments. If you encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to return to the Deliveroo support page for further assistance. Thanks for joining me today, and happy riding with Deliveroo.